What's up, YouTube? It's your boy for the one. I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to clean your AirPods the right way. Here are my AirPods right here. I made sure not to clean them. This is what happens when you don't clean them. I always clean them, but I just did this as an experiment so I can show you guys how to clean them. Let me show you guys right now. So as you can see all the dark marks. Dark marks all around. Then on the inside is disgusting. This side is dirty as well. Not sure if you can see that. My camera's not trying to focus. You guys can see the little dirt. So I'm going to be cleaning all this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into it. The first thing I did was I went ahead and took out the AirPods out the case. But before I go ahead and do anything, I have to show you guys the materials I will be using. I'll be using a cotton swab, also known as a Q-tip. I'll be using a toothpick. It fell. I'll be using a toothpick. I'll be using, baby wipes, Huggies, and 2 napkins to dry. And then I'll be using, rubbing alcohol. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we grab the case, of course, open it up. We're going to grab 1 baby wipe. That's why I have 2 here. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to clean all around the black spots that you see. Go as hard as you can. Try to eliminate as much as possible with the baby wipe, but don't squeeze too much. You don't want no liquid to get in. You see how it's getting a little dirty? It's a good sign. You keep scrubbing. Keep scrubbing, keep scrubbing, keep scrubbing. Grab all that little dirt that you see. It's right there. Keep scrubbing. And this is the hard part, so you just try to get as much as possible. You're not going to always get these corners right here unless you use the toothpick and the cotton swabs. And that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do next once I finish cleaning up all this. So give me a second, let me speed up the process for you guys. I'll clean the whole case from in and out. Then what we're going to do is, after this, we're going to grab a piece of tissue. It could be any source of, tissue. And we're going to just, dry off all the areas that we just moisturized with the baby wipe. That way we can go ahead and not, have any type of moisturizer going in there and messing up anything. Alright, so now, as you can see, it's a little better than what it was before. It's darker. Now we're going to go to step 3. Alright, I'm back. So now we're going to be using the toothpick. I took the toothpick out of the wrapper that it was in. And what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all this black stuff. At least push it out the way. Push it out the way and push it up towards here. Sure you guys see that. So all that is the magnet. Basically like the magnet spreading around. So you try to get as much out. That way it's not all stuck right there. See, I took a whole bunch out. There's still a whole bunch right there, as you can see. Let me get better lighting for you guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I have to get better lighting for you guys. So as you can see, you just go ahead and do as much as you can to push it up. And after that, we'll use one side of the cotton swab to go ahead and grab all this. So let's do that. So what you do is, you don't put that much. You don't want to soak it. So I put a lot. Let me kind of dry it out a little bit. What you do is, you open it up right here. Camera move. And you go right here. Just grab as much as you can. This you can actually apply pressure and squeeze it. And what you do is you always make sure to do this, so that way you don't get none of those black stains. Because as you see now, it's kind of difficult to remove all the black stains around here. As you can see, it's difficult to move it. It's real difficult to move it now.
That's giving me issues. Now I have to like scrub it. I don't really scrub it that much. Also, this is not even my case. This is my brother's case. So it was already kind of like this. I made it better. My case I lost, so I've been using his temporarily. But as you can see, you go all around the black markings. Going all around the black markings with a little bit of alcohol.
Since this is already like really like dirty, the other side's clean. Use the other side to like dry it. And what you do is, boom, like that. Over time, that all those black markings will go away, but you can see how clean the case is. Before, you can see like the dirt that was all inside here. On the side here, I got rid of. But you know, all this dark marks that you see, as you can see, it was darker before. I removed it. Kind of hard to go ahead and do this and make sure that you guys are capturing every moment of it. But you see, pretty good. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to actually clean the AirPods itself. Here's your toothpick, and I use either baby wipe to go in real quick, and I use a toothpick to like grab anything that's extra. So what I'm gonna first do is I'm gonna use the baby wipe to go in there lightly. Then I'm gonna use the paper towel that you see over there to, you know, dry it off. Anything that's left in there, I use the toothpick to get rid of it. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm about to do right now. So I use a different part of it. Go in like this, like that. Go in lightly. Don't push down. Just go in lightly, like that, and then boom. As you can see, I'm sure you guys can see, it's a little dirty. A piece of paper towel. The same thing like we did with the wipe. We go in, we dry it. And then there's nothing else left in here. You see anything like how I see something right now? You got the toothpick. Wherever you see the spot, you go in and you take it out. Not sure if you guys can see it, but a little bit of dirt came out. Sometimes, you know, particles from the wipes and stuff may try to stick in. So that's one done. Let me put this in the case so I don't lose them. And now I'm gonna show you guys basically how to do the other one. It's the same routine. That's how you clean your AirPods. Like I said before, the black marks will come off once you know, continuously complete the, you know, the procedures, and you clean it every week. Those black marks will go away in no time. That's how you clean your AirPods. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see me, you know, clean anything else or do any tutorial videos or anything. I'll be more than glad to do it. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and have a great day. F for the win is out. Peace.